How are you guys? This is Vixon from the Vixon TV channel, and today I'm going to introduce to you the new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And as you can see, it came in a big box because I pre-ordered it in Samsung.com. Once you open the box, you are greeted with thank you card from Samsung. And let's see what other things that you can see in the box. We have here the case covers for the S22 Ultra. We also have the optional chargers. This is the unit. And we have a silicone case cover and a clear case cover from Samsung. And let's move on with the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Okay, let me start unwrapping this paper. This is just to protect the box from any damages. And let's see. So this is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. I ordered the 512GB capacity with 12GB RAM, and this is the green in color. Okay, this is a very small box, so don't expect a free charger or even a free earphone for this one. Once you open the box, you're greeted first with the mobile phone. This is the green version. And let's see what else we can see inside the box. And as I've said a while ago, there is no charger, no free case, no earphones, and just a USB Type-C to Type-C and a SIM ejector pin. That's it. So you don't get any accessories. Let's start peeling this off. And oh, this is a very elegant phone with a green color and a very simple Samsung logo. Okay, let's see below the phone. This is the S Pen slot, the speaker grill, charging port, USB Type-C charging port, and the SIM card tray. And above is the mic. On the right side, it's a volume rocker up and down and the power button. On the left side, nothing. Now for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, they integrated the S Pen as part of the phone, unlike for the previous predecessor. And this is like a silent Samsung Galaxy Note series. I believe they have the same feature as the Note series, so we will check later on. Let's go over with the 5 cameras of the phone. We have the 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, 108 megapixel wide angle camera, and 2 telephoto cameras with 10 megapixel each, and the front facing camera as the 40 megapixel selfie camera. Okay, let's start unboxing the case covers of the S22 Ultra. We have here the Smart Clear View cover. It's almost the same as my Z Fold cover, but we'll check this one later on. Let's just start first with the silicone cover for the S22 Ultra. And this is a black in color. I was not able to choose any color for this silicone case cover. Let's see, this is a very silky matte finish. And for the inside, it's like a carpet that will prevent your phone to be scratching on the case cover. And as you can see, this is a very silky phone, bendable, it's very flexible. Okay, it fits very well. It does add a very minimal protection on the phone, but I've noticed something that the case doesn't actually protect the cameras, the 3 main cameras, due to no raised bezels on this part, so definitely it will scratch the cameras. On the front part, you can see it's very minimal raised bezels. As you can see on the bottom part, the SIM card tray has been covered, but still you can access the S Pen, speaker grill, and the charging port. But the problem here is we don't have a curvature like here in the picture, so we have a difficulty accessing the S Pen. So I'm going to use a cloth just to prevent it from scratching the S Pen. So that's it. So you have to use your nails. If you have a very short nail, it will be difficult for you to access the S Pen. And when it comes to removing the case cover, it's easy. It doesn't scratch the sides of the phone. Let's start with the other case. It's similar in design, but this is the leather case cover for the S22 Ultra. Well, this is a hard case made out of leather, hard leather. And as you can see, I'm afraid to use this case as these sides are very thick and very hard, and I don't trust this case to protect my phone, but for the sake of presentation I'm going to use this. And it's similar to silicone case cover, but actually it's just made out of hard material. And as you can see, I'm really struggling to place my phone, and I'm very afraid that it will scratch the sides of my phone. As I've seen now, I've noticed that they have similar problem with the silicone case cover. It doesn't actually protect the three main cameras, as it doesn't have any raised bezel on this part. They have the same sides, the same cutouts, only the material made is actually different, but they are almost the same. Now let's start opening the Samsung S22 Ultra clear view cover. And as I've said a while ago, this is almost the same as the cover or the case cover of my Samsung Z Fold 3. And the material is silicone, the one that holds the phone. It is made of silicone, so it will be very soft and it doesn't scratch the phone when inserting the phone itself. And as you can see, it fits perfectly. The clear view cover protects the screen, partially protects the screen, and as you can see, the view part, it does show you some notifications, the date, the time, and just gives you a preview of what messages that you receive or what notifications that you receive actually. And it does show some small notification that your phone is charging. So there you have it. These are the official case covers of Samsung S22 Ultra, and actually I don't recommend you buying these case covers because it doesn't actually protect the cameras at the back of the phone. Because of the bezels, it doesn't actually protrudes. The only downside of buying a premium phone in Samsung is that they no longer provide a charging adapter, so you have to buy it separately. And I have here the adapter Duo. It does have a maximum 35 watts for the USB Type-C to Type-C, and if you want to use your old mobile phones, you can use this as well for charging. And I almost forgot, the problem for the clear view cover is similar to the other case cover that was presented a while ago. I have actually difficulty in removing the S Pen. have here a similar feature from the previous Note series, is that when you remove the S Pen from the phone, you can immediately write on the screen without unlocking your phone, and it will immediately save in the Samsung Note. We have another similar feature from the previous Note series, is that you can make a screenshot of your phone and make some modifications that you can send through email or to your friends, and you can actually write some messages and send it across. And there you have it. This is the unboxing of my new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra with its accessories. So hope you enjoyed my unboxing video, and please don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel.